We are supplying the nation
with food and drink from our factory,
through our distribution centres,
and on the road
to around 4,000 locations across the country.
From small shops to supermarkets.
To small businesses like vets.
We are keeping our factories open.
To bring you
your favourite cuppa
and a healthy breakfast.
A nutritious dinner for our four-legged friends.
And the chance to have a break.
From all its green time.
We are donating £4 million of food and drink
to food banks and key workers across the UK and Ireland.
And we are partnered with the British Red Cross
to match employee donations,
while providing more than £8 million worth of support worldwide.
Nestlé continues to source its ingredients from British farmers.
And if you are a food and drinks business,
we are always open for you.
Thank you to all the carers.
And to key workers across the country.
For everything that you do.
We are supplying the nation.
Because it's the least we can do.